Morning. It's 9:30. Today we're checking out. We're gonna go to the mosque for Jumat, which is at like 12 something. Michelle has meetings at 10 and 11, but she is asleep. We are back at Sanamiya, gonna put our bags in a locker before heading to the mosque area to do some work.
I don't think there's any cafes in the mosque area, so we might just go like with toolies.
Successfully found. They have key ones over there, and this is the suika ones. Same price though, so nice. We can fit both our big bags in there in one locker, which is nice. Okay, so we are walking to the mosque now. Jumat, I think it's
We're doing the sunnah.
yes, every step.
Every step of jihad up this tiny hill.
But I think the khutbah starts in like 20-ish minutes, so we get some time to kind of look around first. So, built in 1935, Japan's first mosque that has survived many historical events of Japan and still stands today. Beautiful. So, just finished Jumat. The khutbah was refreshing, I should say. It was in English, a very passionate Turkish imam. Yeah, probably gonna head over to eat something now. So, this is Kobe Shawarma, which is right next to the mosque. It looks pretty busy after Jumat. We have people talking about Israel, Palestine in this kebab shop. Really interesting. You can tell the difference in balance and flavor. That's why I also wear multicolored things to balance it out. I'm dressed like my kebab. Crazy. Alright, so we actually left the cafe because the museum's closing in hour and a half, so should basically go do that first and then come back. We are now at the Takenaka Carpentry Tools Museum. So this is the workshop where you can create some little pieces of wood. So Japanese carpentry is awesome, you know. I really admire it. It doesn't need any nails, screws, just a bit of knocking here and there. That's about it. Yep. So we cancelled going to that cafe, but no, we actually did go, but then we left. We're not going the right way, Harry. So now we're going to another mosque, which is right in front of us. Oh. Yeah. This is ha. Creepy, definitely creepy. So all the crepes are made with almonds, and I have an almond allergy. Oh, well, not allergy. I think almonds are actually okay, so I'm just gonna test it out today.
So this is a chocolate creme brulee crepe. I think I have to. Oh my god, the burnt caramel is so good. It's made with love.
Alright, we just left Holly's Coffee. I don't think we're ever going to go back. Its internet's terrible. Did some vlogging stuff, some Nauru business stuff, and now we're going to have a little bit of a 7-Eleven and then head to round 1 before finishing off the day at the night bus. Alright, so we're heading towards round 1 now. Probably gonna eat somewhere around there. So we're just at the bus terminal now, eating our konbini food. But this is actually not the bus terminal we're going to be taking later. We just needed a place to eat. But they do have a bus to Hiroshima from here, which we will not be taking. Alright, we're back at our lockers. It feels like we dropped it off in a different day, but to be honest, it's just been a long day. But our bus to Hiroshima comes in 10 minutes.
Huh?
12 minutes.
Oh shit.
So, yeah. Basically ran to this check-in point. Found this random lady who said Hiroshima. Now we're just following her. Nice.
Anything else?
No.
Okay.
Made it.